Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Capricorn, it's sign. This is April monthly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa guys. So let's see what are the messages for you Capricorn, it's sign, and what's going on. What are the messages for Capricorn? It's sign. What are the messages for Capricorn X sign? What are the messages for X sign Capricorn? Nine of Wands under the deck and Two of Wands. I think you are thinking about someone or something a lot. Right now you are guarded up, but you are thinking about someone a lot. And this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Maybe one person in this connection have options also. So let's see your reading. Recent past, the Fool, Judgment and the Moon. So I think you are going to, for some you already made some major decision regarding this relationship. Because Judgment is decision making. So you want brand new beginning with your person if you are in separation with them, but there is something mysterious in this connection. The Moon and the person involved in this connection could be Pisces especially. So you are in decision making in recent past, and if you are in separation with your person, you want brand new beginning with your person, and you are manifesting something in your life, the Fool with Moon card. Then present Knight of Cups, Ace of Cups and Wheel of Fortune. So someone is returning, but it is very slow moving energy. They have so much love for you. Their love towards you is overflowing because Knight of Cups with Ace of Cups. And you started loving yourself also. Things started turning into your favor. Wheel of Fortune is here. In divine timing plays key role in this connection. So things are started turning into your favor. For some, a new love is also coming. Because Ace of Cups, new love. For some, two persons coming, one could be new, one other could be past. For some, only one person, past person. It depends on your situation because this is general reading. Every situation is different from others. Then future, Eight of Swords, Six of Cups and Seven of Pentacles. You're feeling stuck and you're waiting for your person and waiting for your reconciliation because Six of Cups. And you're thinking about them a lot. This is a strong soulmate connection. You both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. And you are waiting for them. You stuck on them literally. And you unable to make any move. Because Eight of Swords you feeling stuck. That's why you are thinking about them a lot. Because under the deck Nine of Wands with Two of Wands. You are thinking about them a lot. And the person involved in this connection could be Lord of Water energy. Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Especially Pisces. Then Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Then Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your person feelings and actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Under the deck Devil. Maybe they're obsessed with you. So let's see your person feelings towards you. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn. Oh, it's your reading and it's your card Capricorn. So let's see your person feelings towards you Capricorn. I think they are also feeling stuck. I think this connection is stuck right now. You both are in no contact situation for some. So Ace of Swords, the World and Knight of Wands. They are very passionate about you. They are very attracted to you. And so they want to express the truth to you. There is some communication with clarity is coming because Ace of Swords is here. And the world card, again this could be long distance relationship. For some, the same cycles repeating between you and your person again and again. So let's see their actions towards you. Your person also feeling stuck right now. So their actions, Capricorn, your person actions towards you. Yeah. Six of Swords. They want to fix the things between both of you. They want to come back. Knight of Pentacles, slow moving energy. Right now your person busy at their work, maybe family responsibilities or work pressure, because 10 of Wands energy is here. But 7 of Swords is also here. There is something sneaky in this connection. Maybe they are putting you in third party for some. Maybe there is something is not correct in this connection. 7 of Swords energy, be careful if you are aware of it. I think your person may be in past, in and out of your life, there is no commitment. But now they want to offer commitment, but still there is something is wrong. But they're coming. So you know your situation more than me. If it is really third party involved, there is no point to continue. Then it's up to you. So let's pull some cards from universe, where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, there is under the deck Emperor. So 5 of Swords with Ace of Wands. There is passion. Still there is a lot of passion between both of you. 5 of Swords. Maybe they backstabbed you in past. Something they hurt you in past, now coming back. For some, your person really toxic for you. For some, it depends on your situation. Maybe miscommunication again 7 of Swords. One person in this connection is very sneaky. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So I think one person decided to move on, another person coming to fix the things in this connection. So maybe your person always giving you false hopes, because 7 of Swords with Ace of Pentacles. They're always giving you past hopes, but they're attracted to you. That's why they're coming back and giving false hope. They want your attention maybe. Yeah. This causing a lot of negative energy in this connection. 9 of Swords. A lot of anxiety, depression, a lot of negative thinking, repetitive thoughts coming again and again. And yeah, they're coming back with an apology. Maybe your person is immature. For some, children is also involved in this connection. I think this connection is very toxic for you, Capricorn, because maybe your person is sneaky playing games with you, but they're coming back again. Then it's up to you, because they always keep putting you in waiting mode, because you're still waiting for them to come back. So let's see your overall energy for the month. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Lot of air energy. Yeah, you will stand by your power. You want to restore balance within you. Maybe there is no balance in this connection, and they want to send some message, communication, and they want to offer this happiness, but maybe it is mask for some. Maybe your person wearing a mask and coming back to you. So let's see your person overall energy for the month, Capricorn. Mutual energy is 9 of Swords. It is also very negative energy. Means a lot of depression. See this card. How suffering it is. Yeah, they are thinking about you a lot. This could be long distance. They want to send some message. There could be a difference between both of you. And waiting. They keep putting you in waiting mode. And there is waiting game going between you and your person. And Queen of Cups. Maybe they are now realizing your worth. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Capricorn. Yeah, for some you both could be twin flames. Communication is coming, yes. and I want you back. Holding back, maybe one person, I think it's you holding back. Reunion is coming and I feel so alone. So the messages are holding back, twin flames, communication is coming, they want you back. Reunion is coming. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you. I think this person is toxic for you guys, then it's up to you. What to do, what not to do. I have to give just messages to you. A new start is coming. For some, a new love is also coming. So a new start is coming. It could be a new love or could be a past person. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you'll get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.